need your heart. Oh, I 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 need your heart. I need your, I need, oh, I need your heart. I need your, I need, oh,
explain why I shine and no one else shines. I think everybody shines in different things. And a lot of things I can't do, but I know how to go to that true spot in myself because I'm there every day. I can be me. I can be whoever because I'm true to me. I can go to neutral easily. A lot of people, black, white, Mexican, young or old, fat or skinny, have a problem being true to themselves. They have a problem looking in the mirror and looking directly into their own souls. All of our gifts and blessings and our strengths and our weaknesses come from God. It comes from within you, you know what I mean? So it's not really tricky. Everybody can do it if they just can go to that spot. I guess all the things that happened to me in my life allow me to go there easier.
Hi guys, so this is the final look. This look will be called Purple Haze. I don't know, cause just a purple look. I only use purple color, and the palette that I used, that I showed you earlier, was the L.I.E Quad, and I only use this, no other color apart from my highlight, which was just a brown out of my 188 BH matte palette. That was it. So yeah, that's the look, guys. I added false lashes. Just trying a thing. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Yeah.